Now I'll show you what it's like on the edge. I'm gonna use this tool. This tool's a little different, a little stronger. Okay. You can see that dent move? It's a small dent. This thing's about the size of a dime, but it's on towards the edge. So I wanted you guys to see one towards the edge, just to let you know we can fix them anywhere. See, we have tools for every shape, every part of the car. These are just hood tools I'm using today. This one I'm going to use a different tool. Use that black whale tail again. I prefer one bulb, one LED light I should say, but for a video it makes it easier for you to see with 3 bulbs. A little low right there. Now the one in the back. Same whale tail we call them. Looks like a whale. It's tail on the end. See how it's coming up? Light tells us everything. Light tells us where our tool is, where to push at, when to quit pushing. I'm gonna now switch to the other light to finish the dent with my eyes. I'm gonna switch my eyes to the other light. So it might not look to you I'm hitting in the right place, but I am for this angle. Now I'm gonna go back and use the other light for the other 2 dents.